Today we're introducing our integration between Raspberry AI and CLO, making it simpler to bring your 3D garments into your AI workflow. CLO is one of the most powerful 3D design tools in fashion, allowing designers to build, fit, and refine garments in a fully virtual environment. Now you can take those same 3D assets and bring them directly into Raspberry AI to generate photoreal visuals, explore new materials, and create styled presentations in seconds. After logging into Raspberry AI, you'll go to your team settings and then integrations. You'll now see a new option, CLO-SET. You'll hit Connect Account. Here's where your org admin can connect your account using the access token, which you can get from your CLO representative. You only need to do this once, and it'll unlock access for your entire organization. This works anywhere that you can upload a reference image. We'll start with Sketch to Render. I now have the Import from CLO-SET option. Here you can navigate through your folders or see all the styles that you have available to import. Once I choose one, it will be uploaded into a folder named CLO-SET Assets in your personal library. I can choose and upload from this folder. Once my reference image is uploaded, I'll get the Describe Image and Prompt Assist to pop up. I can also use the suggested prompt. I'll check that the prompt has color and fabrication, accept it, and click Generate. I'm going to choose the best one and save to my library. I also want to export it back to CLO-SET at this point. In the three dots, I have the option to export to CLO-SET. Let's take a look at the image attached to my style in CLO-SET. Back in Raspberry, I'm going to navigate to Lifestyle Photography, and I'm going to pull up a scene from my history that I generated earlier. I prompted for a full body shot of a model wearing a jumpsuit and posing in an architectural scene. I'm going to save my favorite image to my library to use as a model. So in On Body, I'm going to use our beta On Body, which is the maskless version. I'll upload the Photoreal jumpsuit and the image of the model that I created. There's also an optional prompt to describe fit and styling. Then I'll generate. Once that's generated, I can export this photoreal scene back to the CLO-SET style. And here it is, saved with the style in CLO-SET. As a bonus, we can also upload a fully dressed avatar to Raspberry's 3D Avatar to Photoreal tool. You can see from this example that the tool takes 3D avatars to Photoreal and adds realistic skin textures without altering the clothing. With the Raspberry AI CLO integration, your 3D garments don't stop at development. You can bring them into Raspberry to generate photoreal visuals and styled on-model imagery, then export those visuals right back into CLO-SET. It's one connected workflow from technical design to visual storytelling without rebuilding from scratch. Try it out in your next project.